Imagine a world where machines work smarter, not harder. Welcome to the future of manufacturing, powered by artificial intelligence. Picture this: production lines optimized to the millisecond, with each component perfectly timed for maximum efficiency. AI isn't just a cog in the machine, it's the oil that keeps it running smoothly. It can predict maintenance needs before they become costly breakdowns, keeping production on track and under budget. And let's not forget quality control. AI doesn't just spot defects, it learns from them, improving the process and cutting waste. But the AI revolution doesn't stop at the factory gate. It extends into supply chain management, predicting demand, smoothing out logistics, and ensuring the right product gets to the right place at the right time. So next time you marvel at the latest gadget or gizmo, remember, behind every great product, there's great AI. Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Welcome to AI-powered manufacturing excellence.